What if you could earn money while you sleep using content you didn't even create yourself, but AI did it for you? In 2025, thousands of people are making passive income with AI-generated content. Last month, Sarah from Denver made $3,400 using AI to generate content she's never even seen. The question is, can you do it? If you want to stay ahead of the AI income revolution, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Less than 3% of people know about these opportunities, and I share the latest strategies every week. For years, passive income seemed out of reach for most. Real estate requires massive capital. Dividend stocks barely beat inflation. Building a successful blog meant endless writing. Creating digital products required specialized skills and hours of work. Meanwhile, 67% of people are living paycheck to paycheck, desperately searching for ways to create additional income streams. But here's what changed everything. AI technology has reached a tipping point where it can now create professional quality content faster than ever before. We're talking about articles, videos, social media posts, even entire courses, generated in minutes, not months. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Welcome to AI-generated passive income, the method that's quietly creating millionaires while most people are still trying to figure out ChatGPT. This isn't about replacing human creativity entirely, but leveraging AI tools to automate the tedious, time-consuming tasks of content creation. Here's how it works at a high level. You use AI tools to generate valuable content in minutes. You publish this content across multiple platforms. The content attracts audiences, generates leads, and creates revenue through various monetization methods. The best part? Once it's set up, it runs automatically. I've been testing these methods for 18 months, and I'll show you real results from real people using these exact strategies. No hype, no unrealistic promises, just what actually works in 2025. Method number 1. AI-written digital products. This is perfect for beginners because it requires zero technical skills and can start generating income within 30 days. Here's the process. Use ChatGPT to write short eBooks, children's books, how-to guides, journals, or planners. Design covers with Canva or Midjourney. Publish on Amazon KDP and earn royalties monthly. A 20-page low-content journal can earn $100 to $500 per month if it hits the right niche. David used AI to create a productivity course in 3 days. The AI generated the curriculum, wrote the lessons, even created the slides. He sold 847 copies at $97 each. That's over $82,000 from content he created in 72 hours. The secret is creating product ecosystems. One AI-generated ebook leads to a course, which leads to templates, which leads to coaching, all created with AI assistance. Method 2. Faceless content automation. This method leverages AI to create engaging videos and social media content without showing your face or recording your voice. Tools like Pictory or Runway create entire videos from scripts. You don't need to show your face or record your voice. Faceless finance or motivation channels are earning $1,000 plus per month just from ad revenue, and everything's automated. Jennifer built a personal finance Instagram using this method. AI generates her daily tips, quotes, and educational carousels. She's grown to 85,000 followers in 8 months and earns $4,200 monthly through sponsored posts and affiliate commissions. The key is batch creation. Spend 2 hours on Sunday generating a week's worth of content using AI, then let automation handle the rest. This creates consistent presence without constant manual work. Method 3. The AI blog content empire. AI can help you write SEO-optimized blog posts that keep bringing income for years through one viral article. Choose something evergreen: finance, fitness, parenting, productivity. Use AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai to generate high-quality blog posts. We're talking 2,000-word articles in under 10 minutes. Monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate links, or digital product sales. Marcus from Texas started this method 6 months ago. His AI-generated blog now earns $2,800 monthly, and he spends less than 2 hours per week maintaining it. He publishes consistently, 3 to 5 posts per week, and focuses on profitable niches. The system is simple. Pick a niche, use AI strategically for SEO, publish consistently, and monetize through multiple streams. One viral article can keep bringing income for years. Now let's talk implementation. The biggest mistake people make is trying to do everything at once. Here's your 90-day action plan broken into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Pick a niche. Choose something evergreen: finance, fitness, parenting, productivity, AI tools, something people always search for. Step 2. Choose your platform. Amazon KDP, YouTube, Medium, TikTok. Pick one to focus on initially. Step 3. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for writing, Pictory/Runway for video, Midjourney/Canva for visuals. I recommend starting with ChatGPT Plus and Canva AI. Step 4. Create, publish. Consistency beats perfection. Aim for 1 to 2 uploads or posts weekly during your first 90 days. Step 5. Monetize. Use ads, affiliate links, product sales, or royalties to start earning passively. This is where most people see their first $1,000 month. Before we wrap up, let me save you months of frustration by sharing the 3 biggest mistakes I see people make with AI passive income. Mistake 1. Copy-pasting AI output without editing. Google and platforms can flag low quality or duplicate content. Always add your own touch, insights, and personality. Mistake 2. Choosing saturated niches without a unique angle. Don't just make a generic money tips blog. Niche down. Money tips for freelancers works better. Mistake 3. Giving up too early and expecting overnight results. Passive income takes time to build. First you plant seeds, then you harvest. Even with AI acceleration, building sustainable income takes 3 to 6 months. Solution framework. Follow the 80-20 rule. Let AI handle 80% of content creation, but you provide 20% strategic thinking and human connection. That's where the real money is made. The AI passive income revolution is happening right now. While most people are still debating whether AI will replace jobs, smart entrepreneurs are using it to create new income streams. This opportunity window won't stay open forever. Early adopters always win in technology shifts. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one method from today's video. Spend the next 7 days creating your first AI-generated content. Don't overthink it, just start. If you want my complete AI passive income toolkit with all the prompts, tools, and templates I use, check the link in the description. It's completely free and will save you weeks of trial and error. Remember, AI won't make you rich overnight, but if you learn how to use it smartly, you can build digital assets that generate automated income 24/7. You don't need to be a writer, designer, or coder. You just need to start and stay consistent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you in the next video where we dive deep into the exact AI prompts that generate $10,000 plus monthly content.